What's up, guys? Tonight we're here at the marina. I'm doing a little bit of casting with the Lipless crank for like 30-45 minutes. So maybe we can catch a good one. I missed one earlier. I missed like 3 the other night. They were good size. So hopefully we can catch one of those. I got one for a stake. Stay down. Stay down. Look at another little guy. Well, you guys got to see it on the first cast of it. Damn. Little bass. That was pretty good timing. Fortunately, it's small. There you go. Come here, buddy. He's flipping around. Come here. I think we don't spot. Come here. You're gonna get hurt. You're all tangled up in my line. That's a little tiny one. A good old 8 or 9 incher. But it's a fish. It's the second one I've caught. They've both been tiny though. There he goes. Alright. Oh shit, I got one. Oh. God, I can't. Another tiny one. God. That's 3 tiny ones. You got a face full of hooks. Dang it. Oh, buddy. Careful. Oh. I'm catching like freaking 6 inches. Got him. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. Stay down. Oh. Yeah. Dadgummit, man. That's all that's in here, these little stinksters. Ah. Before I throw it back. It's a good little, I don't know, it's pretty long. It's a keeper size, 14 inches, about 13 and a half, 14. Boy, crammed though. Got this piece of caught number 2. With a fat old fish. Looks another pretty good one. This crankbait's doing some damage, man. This guy wants to get back to. He's okay. Got it fast. Not a big one. A crappie. Oh my gosh. Look at that crappie. A big old crappie. Good Lord. Oh, that's a big old crappie. Crappie, guys. Look at this crappie. Pretty good sized crappie. Wasn't fishing for that, but it's a nice bonus. That's 3, boys and girls, on the old. I'm going to show you guys. Sure got I'm using. I'll show you guys. Show you guys I'm using. So I got this new bait, and I thought I was mess up before. It's called Trap Line Lipless Crank. Basically, put your line through, got a hook on the bottom, and you catch fish, the weight goes away, so you're gonna hook more fish. So I already caught 3 on it, so pretty good so far. I caught one right at the boat. Pretty good fish, man. Pretty good fish. Whew. That was awesome, dude. That was really awesome. Right at the boat. I mean, he hit it right at the freaking shore. Good night. Crazy. Holy cow. Look at that. Damn it. Look at him. Dad, go, he's flipping around. Holy cow. Okay, he's loose.
Come on, Caleb, let's go. We need to go. Come on.
In the bottom. Pretty good fish, guys. Pretty good fish. That's probably about 1 3/4 pounds. Right near dark. We clubbed it right at the freaking boat. Okay. Great catch, guys. Pretty good little fish. Oh man, he's biting. Let's get the release on him. Over here. Heck yeah. There he goes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes. He must have followed it all the way back. Because he hit like literally right before I was going to take it out of the water. Dang. Woo. I'm kind of tired. I might make a few more casts.